Should we all buy EV stocks right now after the White House extends tax credits for another 2 years? Of course, that's why we have the reversal from the bottom for NIO, because everybody think that NIO is undervalued. Look at this. We already did 50%, guys, in just 10 days. And of course, for Tesla adopting Dogecoin as a payment method. The other one, Mullen, we have earnings next week on Friday, guys. So those three stocks have a chance to have a huge green, at least for this month, because we've got a volatility for them. So in today's video, we have to discuss all of them, where we should buy, where we should exit, where's the target, at least for the month of April. Remember, guys, we always discuss all those stocks. We discuss cryptos, we discuss of course swing trade stocks, day trade stocks here first on our Discord and Patreon 2 hours before the market open, because in the pre-market we had major news hit the market first. Whale buying first on the pre-market. Even if the market red, we always have a nice trade on the pre-market. So join us in the link and comment section below if you want to have early access to, of course, day trade that we do every day. We do, of course, a swing trade. Last time we did for Apple, that jumped almost 9% after a huge earnings, and we have a really good entry on the 172. So let's dive right in and discuss first Mullen, because Mullen have earnings coming up, of course, next Friday. And now we have a huge short open because everything pulled back a bit. For Tesla, pulled back around our resistance. NIO pulled back near around the resistance as well. Mullen, the biggest one that pulled back. You know why? Because we already did 200%, and now we jumped down almost half. So we lost almost the half of the gain that we did just 1 week ago. So this is normal. Mullen is the most volatile one here. That's why we have a huge pullback. So this one we should have, or we should expect a reversal right now, because now is discounted and getting near a major support of reversal over the $4, guys. So this is it, and we'll watch Mullen for a reversal before the earnings. I'm gonna keep my eyes on Mullen, because if Tesla, guys, if Tesla and NIO hold the current pump over the $4.80 for NIO, and Tesla, of course, holding over at least the 159, this will give us a good signal that, of course, all the EV stocks have the same patterns. If Tesla have a really strong pump, the other will follow. Yes, it's not 100%, but it's almost 90% of those stocks jump together. Unless we have, like for Mullen, have earnings or have major news, yes, this will make Mullen go against the current, but this is really hard. Just imagine if you swim against the current. You need a motor, you need something to push you against the current. If you don't have this, you're gonna go down slowly with the current. If you're strong enough to actually compete with the current, if you're strong enough, if you are the best Olympic swimmer, yes, you might push up a bit, but I'm talking about normal human being like me and you. If the current is really hard enough, it will pull you back. The same for Mullen, it could go up against the current. Even if Tesla and NIO went down, we could go against the current if we have the power to push up. This is kind of physics, guys. It's really simple. But now in the normal situation, if we don't have earnings, if we have news, if Tesla and NIO hold, Mullen will hold as well over the $4. But as we said, NIO have a rocket behind. If you have a rocket behind you, you can actually go against whatever, even a wall, you're gonna crack it. So for right now, for Mullen, we need to hold the $4. If we go back to Tesla and discuss where we should watch for Tesla for coming days, guys, we have this gap, really interesting gap that we should hold over the 173. Look really interesting, because this is where the buyer bought after the earnings. Guys, don't forget, we're going to discuss all those stocks by tomorrow in the pre-market. So hit the notification and subscribe. Let me know in comment section below where we're going to go for all of them. For Tesla, what's the target? Let me know, guys. Let me know in this month. Are we going to have over the 200 or below the 159? We have two targets. That's it for Tesla. For NIO as well. What you think? Are we gonna have the price over the $7 or before or below the $4.80? Which price we gonna go to if like not if but for this month, where we gonna go, over the 7 or below the $4.80? Yeah, it's simple, but this is trading, guys. It's really simple. Either we go up or down, but the most important thing, we have a trigger to go up or down. That's why we have to do this video to update you guys where we should enter and exit. And of course, if you want to load up on those stocks, you can on Momo, because on Momo you can receive cash reward of 1.5% and free 7 free fractional shares with my link in comment section below. So let me know what you think about those stocks and price target for them for this week. Now let us discuss first Tesla, and then we go back to NIO. For Tesla, we have, as we said, the gap first. This will give us a good indication that the market maker is still holding over the 170. The target to break, at least for the next week or even this month, is over the 205 or around this orange box. If we broke it, guys, hallelujah. It means Tesla will have another jump toward the 228. We already did for Tesla 30 or 40% jump. We miss another jump toward this level, will give us again almost 30% for Tesla after we break this resistance, of course, and hold. The most important support is the 159. For NIO, on the other hand, we have the support to hold for this month is over the $4.80. Let me just show you exactly where. Yes, here. And of course, breaking this orange box between the $7 and the $6.30. This is it. If the short seller cover there is mean perfect, is mean we're gonna have the $8.11. Of course, this is the first target. There's another target. Some of you say, okay, Jesus, $8 is nothing, it's not squeezed. Yes, but this is in the short term. I'm talking about the short term, or at least for this month. We're gonna update, of course, the other levels after we break the 8.11. Everything will change, the trend will change. We're gonna have to update the support and resistance. So don't forget to subscribe to be updated about the support and resistance, and where to enter, and where to load up again, and where you take your profit. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow on our live streaming, 30 minutes before the market open, and of course 2 hours before the market open, and our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.